Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel, Lesson Steven M. I'm Steven. Today we're going to be practicing the challenge. And I'm with Rexy, and I'm in 2nd grade.
And I'm Lysis. We're doing the 4th grade challenge. And I'm here with a duck. Okay, so let's go.
Remember, he's in 6th grade. Anyway,
Yeah,
section 1, challenge. Okay, let's go. Puzzle 1, level 1, let's go. We're ready, let's go.
So interesting. You know the Megalodon tooth is the size of your pinky?
Okay, that's not true.
Actually, oh, he told me that. Just one random website called.
No, it's actually from a person. Okay. Anyways,
This is a matching game. It's pretty simple so far.
all you have to do is just find the bird where it is. It's not a matching game. No, the bird matches the bird.
Technically, it is a matching game.
It's not a matching. It's not a
Well,
matching.
it's a memorization game.
Yeah, more like that. Memory game. Hey, bird party! Bird party!
And they're gonna be like celebrating over here. Like, oh, and by the way, what's
Level 2.
in case you're new to our videos, to our challenge videos,
Bro, I don't remember it. Oh, you got it. Okay, anyways.
yeah. So we're just gonna do each puzzle by puzzle.
Okay, anyways, what was this again? Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, okay, I got it now. Alexander the Great.
Was a person.
Yeah, a person.
Are you a human?
Yeah.
How do you know you're Cheryl?
Oh, wait, oh, that was hot. Anyway, I don't remember what it was.
What was that?
Nothing.
Weather.
Oh, literally, did you know if you
Yeah,
eat,
so I'm trying to beat the world record of playing the most classical games in 1 year. So far, I've played 264
Nice.
in total. But that's like in my entire life, not 1 year. This year I played like.
Okay, anyways, who cares, by the way? Who cares, okay? Who cares, guys? Oh, by the way, did you know if you eat those Nintendo Switch memory cards, if you try to eat it,
Oh yeah,
it's
so we're
bitter?
gonna tell you some like fun little like quick, it's just like video, and it's like paper party. Interesting.
Bird party, nice.
Yeah. So one thing is that on the bread, like they have this pin thing, whatever it's called, to close the bread, and each color represents a different day of the week.
Level 3.
And then the toothpaste, they have like this one line. It's either gonna be red, green, black, or blue. So black means all chemicals. Red is like chemical, a lot of chemicals, and like very few.
Natural.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then
I didn't
blue
know
is like
That's
lots
just-
of natural plus lots of some medicine. And then green is all natural.
Also, by the way, if you eat Nintendo Switch memory cards, it tastes bitter. So, yeah, just
Yeah,
for little
it's
kids.
to prevent little kids from eating them.
You know, little kids are like, I need bitter. So, it's safety. No.
Isn't there like 4 levels in here? Maybe not 5 levels.
I'm down doing 3 levels.
Yes,
Almost did it wrong again.
You almost clicked the wrong way.
Yeah.
Okay, really? It's the
Oh.
same place.
It's the same place, of course. Oh, yeah, here.
Oh, I don't need to.
Okay, have a good night. Oh, I didn't know where it
I'm
was.
just basically
I think it was right here. I don't know, but let me see if I'm correct.